Hi everyone, welcome to Westart Creations. Today, let's draw a happy sun to start our 30 days of fun drawing together. First, take a big circle thing and we will draw the main circle. After that, take one more circle which will be having lesser size than the earlier one and draw that inside the bigger one. For the eyes, make two half circles and then close the eyes from the bottom. Make a small nose. After that, put two small circles. Now fill the eyes with a black color. Now we are going to start the outer part of the sun. Follow along with me, it's easier than before. Try to make little triangles, some leaf shapes and am. If this seems difficult to you, you can make small triangles on the outer part of the circle. I hope you are with me. If you have stuck somewhere, pause the video. If you want the video to be faster, put the speed to 1.5x. Put some small lines between these shapes to make it more beautiful. And we are almost done with the drawing. Now we will start coloring. You can take any colors of your choice. It can be crayons, sketch pens, watercolors, or whatever medium of colors you like. First we are filling yellow color in the inside part of the sun. Now I have taken mustard yellow color, or you can take little bit darker shade of yellow for the outer part. And for the final layer, I am using orange color and we will mix and match with yellow color. You can use any color of your choice. Make sure that you are using shades of yellow, orange or even red so that the sun looks more beautiful. In the end, to look it more cuter, we are adding little bit of pink color on his cheeks. And it's done!
Yay!
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Bye bye.